This is lesson 11, equations of all kinds of lines. This is activity 1, pairs of lines. And in this activity, there are 4 pairs of lines, and there's something unique about each pair. So in A, this pair of lines are both have a negative slope, meaning they move from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. And if you calculate the slope, just label a couple of the points and calculate the slope going from one point to the other, you're going to find out that this slope of this line is a negative 1/2, which means that the slope of this line also, because they're parallel, also has to be a negative 1/2. You don't really have to calculate the slopes. You can do that for practice if you want to. B, neither of these lines are parallel. So you look at the other 3 pairs, they all are parallel lines. And they both have, even though they're not parallel, they both have positive slopes. So they're moving from the lower left to the upper right. But the point is that neither of them, the lines are not parallel to each other, meaning that they each have a different slope compared to the other line. D, these both have a positive slope. So if you calculate that slope, you're going to see that it's 2 1/4. It's moving from the lower left to the upper right. So both of these lines, they're parallel and they have a positive slope. And the last set, these are parallel horizontal lines. And a horizontal line means that it has 0 slope. We're going to look at that more in a later lesson, a later activity, in this lesson. But this slope is 0, meaning that as it moves in the horizontal direction, it does not move in the vertical direction. It's a horizontal line, and a horizontal line has a slope equal to 0. There's no slant. There's no change vertically.